Look, our shadows are so tall. Welcome to welcome to a new vlog, guys. Cover the sun. I think we found our intro place finally. So anyway, what we wanted to say that welcome to a new vlog, guys. We are here in the center of Cabanatuan City right now. The main reason why we came here is because I finally wanted to do some Christmassy activity because it's already October and actually Christmas season starts in September here in the Philippines, as the Philippines has the longest Christmas season in the whole world. So one of the main activities to do around Christmas season is to go to night markets, but we heard that there's a lot of like street food spots here at the evening, more than usual, and a specific kind of Puto that is usually eaten around Christmas season also. What is it called?
A Bibingka.
A Bibingka, yes. I think I've never even tried Bibingka, so I have new food to try and we want to look around and get into the Christmas spirit a little bit. Plus, this place is so pretty.
Reminds me of Mexican.
Yeah, I was just taking photos at the church and it looks kind of similar to my hometown in Hungary, to Kecskemét.
Yeah, it looks similar to the park.
Yes, my home in the Philippines and my home in Hungary is somewhat similar, so that's a cool thing. So this park in the middle of Cabanatuan City is Plaza Lucero, and it was renovated. I'm not exactly sure when, but like recently, and it's so pretty. They made a really good job with the whole area. The church is so pretty also. There's even a fountain and a little like mini playground seating area. Okay guys, I can't wait for it to get dark before we start eating. There's Bibingka shops right opposite to Plaza Lucero, over there. Yes, and balloons and cotton candies. Crossing the road stress. Hi.
Hello,
Bibingka. There's Bibingka already, guys, and some type of like suma. Hi po. Masarap ba?
Oh yes, masarap. Very sarap.
Wow. Sige po.
Ilan?
Isa lang. Anong panggalan to?
Puto bumbong malagyan.
Puto bumbong. My first time.
Ay, ganun.
Guys, my first puto bumbong. It's like ube.
Rice.
Right.
Malagyan. Let's go ulit. Mainit hot.
Masarap.
Thank you.
Very good, guys. It has like coconut on it and some sugar. It's very good texture. Teka, isang bibingka din. Look, this is the traditional way of how bibingka is made. Wow. More buko. Nice. Hello po. This is how the puto bongbong is made. So cool. Wow. So nice. My first time eating puto bongbong and my first time seeing how it's made also.
Picture na ako.
Sige po.
Thank you.
din po. So it's like a rice po. Rice. It's like a rice, like powdered rice, and then this is where the magic is made. It's like heated up on the bottom, and then it turns into those beautiful puto bongbong. Thank you po. Now I can actually eat it. I was just distracted by seeing how cool it is, how it's made. Bibingka, run! The Bibingka made it through the road. It's always so cool when you can see how the food that you are eating is made, and now I can actually focus on trying it also. Wow, look at it, guys. So this is like the puto bongbong. This is a type of suman, and then the famous bibingka. And all of this was just 80 peso, and it's already a huge plate of food. So the suman also, everything comes with the shredded like buko, coconut, and some sugar. Oh, it's so good. It's like cochinta. I will try the Puto bumbong again also because I couldn't focus earlier. It's all sticking so much to the banana leaf. So good texture. Taste is very good too, but I love it that this is like not too sweet. Like the rice itself is like, I think it doesn't even have sugar at all. The sugar on top is what gives the sweetness. So that's really cool because I usually don't like things that are overly sweet, and these are not at all. It's perfect. Now finally time to try my first bibingka.
Yummy.
Yummy! It really is yummy. Again, the texture, guys, look how fluffy it is. And the butter or this margarine on top is salted, but the bibingka itself is sweet, but also not overly sweet. Such a good combination. It's extremely good.
Usually they only sell Puto bumbong and Bibingka during Christmas season around church usually.
Oh really? That's
Yeah.
why it's here?
Yeah, they just
the church.
set up like booths and shops around the church and selling those kind of things.
Only at Christmas, then what if I get addicted? Run! As you can see, guys, we arrived to the night market of Cabanatuan City because there's already smoking food.
And Cabanatuan night market.
I'm not really sure if it's always open or just now because it's Christmas season.
It's always
It's
open.
always open. I've never been here, guys. Literally, I live in Cabanatuan City and never been. There's drinks and milk tea. And there's also a video cam machine. So it's a proper market atmosphere. What is this?
Peryahan.
Hi!
Paano ba yan? Piso.
Sorry guys, it's very noisy because there's music, but there's this game at the market.
They will teach us how.
Yes, I will have helpers how to do it.
Toss some coins,
Oh, okay.
like 1 left.
So I throw the coin and then I guess there are numbers and they are associated with some gifts that you might win. Oh no, he's laughing at me, I'm bad at it. I'm not giving up. This is how you are literally throwing away money. But now I got challenged because they are laughing at me, so now I want to prove myself. I landed on something but didn't get anything. Maybe on the other side I will have more luck.
Try it.
No, check.
I didn't win but I didn't lose because I won 9 pesos. Do it for me. There are no children here to help me out. This is your game. I have faith in you.
Para sa ating laro ay straight pa, bawal yung mga straight na nagdaan sa at lalong bawal yung straight na bukas na yung ating Bibingka.
You're good at this, aren't you?
Call of Duty. One something.
Wow, you're better than me. Thank you. That was well done. I knew it's you who have to try that. This is my game. The shooting is for Jonathan. Look guys, so cute. Every little plant has a Christmas light. Meron.
Susie in the Philippines.
Susie and the Philippines po. Susie and the Philippines.
We got some blueberry lemonade and some sushi. Sorry guys, I know that it's noisy, but this is just the vibe of the night market. Just video and music everywhere. It's good sushi. Sushi is really popular, but not that cheap in the Philippines. I didn't know that they have it in the market, more affordable than the mall versions and equally good, or maybe a little bit even better. It's really nice and chill here. It's not very crowded, but I guess because it's around the middle of weekday, I'm sure that like Friday or weekend evening there's more people, but it's nice. It's relaxing and chill and good food. The city was also really pretty at night, and I wanted to show you these Christmas decoration lights that they are already selling all over the city. But yes, other than this is going to be the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. If you did, then please subscribe, and we will see you next time in the next vlog. Bye! So we are in the city center of Cabanatuan right now. I'm sorry.
You can put a photo.
Yes, I will put a photo. Put a photo.
Put it here.
It's here.